They're having a big party next to me. Music, fireworks. Seems like a lot of people have left already. Damn, this place cleared out quick. Welcome to Fruita, Colorado. 18 Road. Oh, it's 11:20. I gotta fix the car. You see that little eyelet adjuster bolt that's attached to the turbo actuator? That thing has gotten loose and causing an emissions code. I think it's overboosting is what I'm saying. I hate doing this shit when I'm on the road. I got the hard part done, so now I just need to link that back together. It's just kind of a bitch to get at. Oh, I think I got it. Oh yeah. We'll just reset the codes. That should do. Good. Screw it. Let's go for a ride. Super View, Hyper Smooth, Boost. Looks like my fork's getting a little soft. Hey. Hey, what's up? I guess I could have asked him what the trouble was, but he was with a buddy, so plus I'm sure he's one of that gang that's down there camped by me, so it ain't far. All right, well, zip off to Western Zippity. Haven't been able to nail this. Well, that's better. Oh, shit. Pull over right here.
Thanks.
Yep.
Just us.
Sure, thanks. Well, I was gonna go up there and take Frontline all the way across and then take Prime Cut down. Something wants me to do Zippity again. I guess my only other options, well, Kessel Run, which is a green trail, so I mean, whatever. It's probably like this. Oh, I don't know. We'll see when I get there. I haven't been able to clear both of those switchbacks. I cleared each one on 2 different days, which is kind of funny. Oh, wait. I think I have it. Oh, yeah. Come here. Okay, there's one. Oh, okay, spin it. Spin. Yeah. There's the gate. Oh, I gotta change this song. I'm actually getting sick of hearing Yoko Ono. I can change it on the go. Malmsteen, Buckethead. Alright, almost to the top of this. This segment's short. I think it's only a few hundred yards. That looks like a big candy corn out there. You see that? All right. Frontside. Right. I know that there's one of these that are at a really steep angle, and I've bottomed out. Gear down and get ready. Yeah, it is. There we go. Much smoother. Oh, nice punchy climb here. Oh yeah. Hit that with some momentum. Pedal strike. All right. And this is where we go up the wash. And get stuck. If I go this way. Oh yeah. The burn. All right, I'm gonna throw it in the granniest of gears. Keep it nice and steady, conserve some energy for that switchback. Here we go. Oh shit, I'm already burning. All right. Whoop, hold on now. Here we go. Load it. One more, and that's it. Shit. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Move back. All right, here we go. All right, so far so good. We got it rolling. Okay, here we go. Ah, yeah. Rock. Here we go. Keep going. Keep it. Okay, slow it down. Ah, the burn's getting to me. Oh, Jesus. The legs can make it to here, but it gets steep. Here I am again, where I pulled my spoke out the other day. Remember that? I think I broke a spoke. Look at that. I can just take it out. I'll wait and do that up here when I reach a flat area, just in case someone comes zipping down this thing. Get this thing out of here. Wow, that's sweat pouring out of my helmet. Did you see that? There we go. All right. Up here's a lookout point. Before we start heading downward, we'll hang out there for a minute or two. Man, There is a trail that goes behind this range. So this is Frontside Northwest, I believe. And it goes over, I think passes behind that, oh shit, ruts. I was on my way the first day to do that, but it was later in the afternoon, so I didn't want to take the chance on, you know, coming back in the dark. I guess we have to go around the back of that. I'm turning around. Looks like there's a few people that just started Zippity. Let's see if we can catch up to them. Hey. There's a part up here that snuck on me. Snuck up on me twice. Oh shit. See if anybody's behind me, make sure I'm not holding people up. That's a negative. It's good to take your time and, you know, soak as much of it in as you can, because before you know it, you're at the bottom. Oh, this is that section here. Yeah, I came off that, and then I'll take it easy this time. All right. All right. They're moving pretty good. Let's stay ahead of them. Washboard. Let's see if we can get up this. I'm not making it up this though. We're all clear. Go ahead. I caught up. Pedal strike it, man. Shitty. That was a little embarrassing. Almost overshot it that time. Breathe in that shit. All right, back to camp. The left side last time seemed pretty good. It's a little sketch. Oh. 13.3 miles, 1,180 foot climb. Thanks for watching. Time to clean up, make some food. You know the routine.